Hey Joseph, today I called your office and they gave me this email address to send this free custom video, but did not give me a person name to attention it to. So I did a Google search. That's why I attention to your name. Hope you don't mind. My name is Janice Miller, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found out a while ago that a lot of small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citations. As I see your website, it looks so great. This number, click to call directly here. But you still do not have enough of content keywords because in Google, like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words, and also depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. As for all your photos, consider to be content as well. So highly recommended to put in the right keywords in all the photos so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. I'm using this keyword to search in Google, and that's how I found you in the Google Map Pack at the back page. So this is the Google Guarantee, this is the Google Ads, and this is the Google Map Pack that we call it as a citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you to rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since this can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially when you're on top 1 here, you receive a lot of calls coming in. Citations include directories like Yelp, NG, Expertise, BBB, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So the next thing I would like to talk about is organic listing. So you have to be on top 3 here, but of course do not include the directory's website. So for your top 1 competitors, it will be Aladdin Plumbing. So I'm using this program named RF. This is your website of a simple analytic. UR is the power of your site in Google, and DR is the trust of your site in Google. So both of these numbers here have to be in between 30 to 40. You'll be considered as a strong site. You have to boost the number so that Google can trust you more. As for your backlinks, you have 996 and your reference domains is 50. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry and local website will work best. As for your keywords, you have 204 and your traffic is 406 per month. So this is your competitors of their simple analytics. Their backlinks, they have 15,500 and their referring domains is 467. As for their keywords, they have 710, and their traffic is 1900 per month, which means you miss out a lot of clients. So you can go to your competitors, to their referring domains here, by copying all their backlinks, by choosing the high DR, which is 71, 50, 60, because some are spammy and some are more authoritative. You need to go after more relative backlink, which give you more authoritative that will send power to your site. As for the keywords, you need to put in the right keywords too, because these are the potential clients that will be searching for the keywords, which is the service they are looking for, and the area which is around them. Example, just for these keywords, this is a 350 searches per month, just for these keywords. And if let's say these 3 keywords here, it will be 1000, 1300, 1500, and depends on the location that you are servicing. So these are the volume searches per month that you might be missing out on the keywords, and this is the position of the keywords. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.